Hi and welcome to the short tutorials. In this video I will show you how to make roles in the Discord. So if you want to make roles in the Discord server, so watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. So first of all, you have to open your Discord mobile application and log into your account. On the left top you will see three dot icon. Now you have to select any server from here. So let's suppose I select this, and once you will do it, you have to click on the three dot icon of the server. Once you will tap on it, go to the settings from here. Now scroll up and here you will see a role option in the user management. So tap on it and here you will see new role option. Tap on it and here you will see a color of the role. Select any and role setting, display role from online member. So you can select these settings from here according to your privacy. So once you will do it, you can simply go back and save this role. And this is all about you can create a role on the Discord server. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.